Typically, at what level of TRT will you need to start giving blood to keep it thin? This video is sponsored by MeWe, the #1 pick for men on TRT. Shop now at MeWe using the link in the description under this video. I know the answer to that.
A gram a week, 1,000 milligrams a week, you should probably donate blood. Look, in terms of if you're keeping it within physiological parameters, there's no need to donate blood. The way that I look at it, I mean, I have a very blunt approach to this. I say that if you need to bleed a pint of blood at a regular occurrence, there's something wrong. There is no way that optimal male physiology requires regular clockwork bleeding, particularly bleeding that much. It's not needed. And if it was, there's something very screwed up with our biology. So it's not needed. If you're running supra-physiological doses, and which you shouldn't be doing, but it's a completely different discussion. So you don't need to do therapeutic phlebotomies on TRT. It's not needed. It never has been, and it never will be. If your hematocrit is elevated, I would be looking at, look at the reference range first, because I've seen hematocrit go up to, on the reference range, 0.50. I've also seen it go up to 0.56, which is a big difference. So a lot of the time people will be freaking out just because they've got a low hematocrit reference range. They'll see that it's above range and they'll worry. They'll jump on Dr. Google and it will say, your blood's too thick, you're going to have a heart attack, go donate blood. You don't need to do that. Hematocrit is often a measure of hydration. So what I tend to do when guys come in ahead, higher than they're comfortable with, I just say, look, do another blood test next week, but drink like a liter or two, drink a liter of water before you go get your blood work done, and the hematocrit always comes back down and everyone's happy and the anxiety is gone. What I've found is that high hematocrit, the main issue with it is anxiety, based off Googling symptoms. You do not need to donate blood on TRT. It's not needed.
You can buy my workout programs as well as other merchandise in my webshop, link in the description under this video.